You are a brand. You love to receive attention, to stand out and get noticed. You are a brand that does everything to its maximum because for you it is vital. To be noticed is one thing, but not just by anybody. You need to reach your target audience, which sometimes looks a bit like this, or like that, or even like this. A target that not only changes, but also moves from here to there, and eventually comes back to here. And during this time, it looks wherever it wants, at whatever it wants, whenever it wants. But does it really see you? That's where we step in. We are OPR Media, an independent media agency specialized in out-of-home advertising on an international scale. We handle everything from A to Z in order to have your campaign be seen and experienced all around the world, even in the most remote and difficult locations. You can say goodbye to managing multiple contacts in each country. No more headaches over issues that all need to be resolved at once. No more obstacles while trying to find the right solutions and the right contacts. Make your life easier with a single point of contact. We are committed to delivering creative and innovative OOH solutions. We will make sure to see your project through, from its conception to its execution. We will provide you with a presentation that will illustrate the steps we take to reach the project successfully. OPR Media is here to simplify your life and make your campaign take off. Besides, airport campaigns are our specialty. We are going to travel far together. Are you ready for the ride?